Good morning everybody. Today we're going to make a video on installing a lithium battery under the bonnet in a 2022
Ford Everest Sport.
So Scotty's got his car up here at the moment, and he had the local Ford dealership hook up a dual battery system, but now it's time for a lithium battery under the bonnet. So he's got all the instructions, and we'll talk more about the battery in a minute, but we've got to take this front panel off to get to the RedArc manager. But we'll just film a little video on the step-by-step process, just in case you know, you're doing this at home yourself. Okay, we've got all those plastic nut certs out. Now we're just about to lift off this plastic shield at the front.
Should come off. No, the plug.
Okay, so the Anderson plug's on a bracket.
Yeah, it's got tiny little bolts on it.
So we'll just undo that, and then we'll be able to continue.
Yep.
So we've got that cover off, that shroud. Now we're just going to pull out the RedArc there, and so we can just access underneath it and have a look. We've got the RedArc unit out, and we've taken the back off just because it's the way it's been wired. It was easier to access the wires. So according to the paperwork here from RedArc, we need to join the red and the orange.
The orange and the green.
Okay, we need to connect the orange and the green wires together, just so it recognizes that we're putting in a lithium battery now. So that's what we're about to do, and then it'll be on to the next step.
Again, shouldn't I?
So because this battery is going to go in the engine bay, and on the Kickass website it did say it was suitable, just as a precaution we're going to put some heat shield around the battery just to try and help it a little bit anyway, just before we put it in.
It's very sticky stuff. Yeah, easy as. Something else just occurred to me, which I could, you know, come to regret. Yep, that's as in as it goes. That just occurred to me.
Just drop that in, and it's a nice tight fit, so there's no vibration there or anything. So that's good. Just the right size to go in there. What size is that? 120 amp hour.
Yep.
Yeah, 120 amp hour lithium. Rock on.
Can you see anything? Any lights?
Not yet.
Should be something, surely.
Okay, we've got the second battery in, heat shield's on, we've dropped it in, connected it. Now we're just connecting up the RedArc to the start battery, and hopefully we'll be good.
No lights?
No. Oh, hang on, yeah, sorry. Yes, U. Yep, U's flashing.
Okay.
That middle one.
Yep.
Or LI, whatever it is, I can't quite see.
It looks like
LI for lithium.
Yeah, it looks like a U on the thing, so we've connected it correctly.
Okay, so we're cool. So here on the RedArc manager, LI is flashing, so it's recognised the Kickass lithium battery we've put in. Now we're just going to put the shroud back on, and we're good to go.
Oh, you're filming for the explosion, are you?
Insurance purposes.
Insurance purposes.
All the lights are on, it's charging, so we've got it all in the right order. Right, we'll just go around the back here, check the voltmeter. What's it say?
14.4. was 13.7 before we turned the car on.
14.4 getting pumped in, so All good, happy days. So just to finish off this video, it's about a week later, and we ran into a little problem when we were putting the battery in. The original filler bottle stuck out a bit too far for the size of the battery Scott used. So he did a bit of homework and he found an aftermarket neck from Hog 3D. So check him out if you're in the same boat. Anyway, Scotty got that and it just happens to fit. It's nice and tight, so that solved that problem. So yeah, if you're putting in a bigger battery, check that out. That might get you out of trouble. And thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.